This is our rabbit and chicken hut. As you can see, we are in the midst of winter. The temperature last night around here hit a little colder than -20 Celsius. And in here, things were relatively warm. See, we got rabbits and chickens all together. Got the waterer for the rabbits, waterers for water for the chickens, waterer for the rabbits, and you hear that little whirring sound. I'll get to that in a minute. You look at the windows. Windows are frosted. They're a single pane slider in a wood frame. So they're absolutely terrible at keeping heat in. So to help keep things warm, I've got this heater. Yeah, it's upside down. Should shut off by most standards, but this is a cheapie. So, and it runs to an outlet that is fed by an extension cord. Now, a lot of people tend to have problems with fire and burning things down. Quick and easy way to keep that from happening is use your hand and feel the cords. The cord's nice and cool, so that means it's not overloaded. A hot cord, or if a cord is hot, then that means it's carrying a severe amount of load. Simple, quick trick. Use your hand, test the cords. If the cords are hot, you're overloading the circuit, and you could end up burning down your building. I've had this fan running in -35 Celsius on high, and my building's still here. There's a little bit of insulation, although the chickens like to eat it. I have covering over as much of the walls as possible, but if you go down there under that window, you'll see there is nothing but wood stopping the outside from coming in. The chickens kind of like it because they peck the frost off the walls. But try and keep the heat in as much as possible with insulation, feed bags. In this door here, which is the main entrance, when it hits -30, I tend to put a blanket over it, an old wool blanket, and that helps to keep the cold out. So you can keep your buildings warm and standing if you pay attention to your electrical cords and what temperature they are.